Viral gold extracting videos are taking over social media right now. And here's the most impressive part. No one watching these videos can tell, even for a second, that they were created using AI. The realism is simply incredible. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos yourself, step by step. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future AI tutorials. First, open ChatGPT and type the following prompt. Provide 20 objects from which gold can be extracted, like mobile phones, TVs, etc. Then click Send. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will suggest a list of unique object ideas. Simply choose any idea you like. Next, open Flow AI and select the video section. Then copy the prompt I've provided in the comments and paste it into the prompt box. Now, take the object you selected from ChatGPT and paste it into the object field. Once everything is ready, click Send. That's it. In just a few moments, Flow AI will generate a high-quality, ultra-realistic gold extracting video for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel and become part of our growing AI community. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you more valuable AI tutorials every week. Finally, let us know in the comments which AI niche you'd like us to cover next. We read every comment, and your suggestions help us create even better content.